Hello everyone. This is the third part of the chapter models, right? In my previous video, I done the second part. I already discussed with you lot of words, and now in this one, the rest of the words I'm going to discuss with you. So the first word here that I want to discuss with you is the word must. Must and have to, right? The word must we are using when there is something necessary, and it is also used when we are insisting about something. Suppose, see the example given in your book is that you must study. You must study. It is necessary for you all. Study sincerely if you want to score a good marks. So here we are seeing the necessity is there. Then whenever the necessity is there, then we are using the word must in a sentence. Second part. The second is the word have to. The have to word we are using when there is a compulsion. जब कोई भी compulsion होता है, kind of compulsion is there, and also some rule is also over there, then we are using the word have to. See the example given in your book is that we have to sign the register when we enter this building. जब भी हम और as you are coming in a class, what the teacher is taking your attendance. So why? Because it is compulsory and it is the rule also. So the teachers have to take the attendance in the classroom because it is the compulsion and the rule also. Then remember that the word must we are using when there is the present and the past tense, and the word have to in place of the, and we are not using it in a future tense. For the future tense we are using the word, for the present and the future tense. For the present and the future tense, the word for the future tense, for the past tense, we are using the word had to in place of have to. It's all given in your book. See page number 68. Then the word that have got to and had got to can be used in place of have to and had to. See, we often use have to, but we can also use have got to instead of have to. We have got to complete the project by next week. हम क्या करते हैं कि have to की जगह पर हम have got to भी use कर सकते हैं. कब? जब, but we can also use instead of have to. We have got to complete the project by next week. This is the example. So let's see, the overall conclusion is that the word must we are using when there is a necessity and some insisting of something. Then one more thing, the word must we are using only in the present and in the future tense. The have to we are using when there is a compulsion and the rules also. Then in place of have to we can use the have got to and had got to. When we are using here must and the have we can use in the present and the future. But when there is a past tense, then the word had to we are using. The word have to and had to we are using for the external compulsion, for the compulsion, and for the some rules also. And now, next is the for the advice, for the duty. We are using the word should and ought to forward for the advice, duty and the suggestion. For the advice, duty and the suggestion. We are using the word should. How can we differentiate it? See that we use should to make a suggestion or to give advice. For the advice we are using the word should. But whenever should is not as strong as the must or have to. Remember this thing is also. Then ought to. The word ought to we are using when there is the duty. Duty is there, then we are using the ought to, and whenever there is a advice and the suggestion also, then we are using the word should. See, the word given is the sentence given is there. You should exercise every day. This is the advice. Then you must. It is an advice for you. We must carry the driving lesson while driving an vehicle. It is a quite strong possibilities जो हैं, strong advice है, उसके लिए हम word must या have to use करेंगे, और simple advice के लिए हम use करेंगे word should. Then must not and do not have. It is must not hit. You must not hit your pet. It is necessary that you do not hit your pet. That means there is do not and does not have suggest no need. When advice and the suggestion, जब ये होगा तब तो हम लिखेंगे, लेकिन अगर नहीं होगा, advice नहीं देंगे, suggestion हम नहीं देंगे, then we are using the word do not have or the does not. Do not have and does not have. इसी तरह मैंने आपको बताया था वर्ड मस्ट. मस्ट हम कब यूज करते हैं? व्हेन जब बहुत कुछ ज़रूरी होता है, व्हेन द नेसेसिटी इज समथिंग, और हम इंसिस्टिंग करते हैं सब किसी चीज़ को. देन अगर वो चीज़ नहीं होगी, देन वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड मस्ट नॉट डू दैट. राइट? That means the suggest the prohibitions over there. The word should have. Should have done means that it would be the right thing to do, but it was not done. This is the very good advice that we are giving you generally, but you are not doing it. See the example. Parul should have informed the teacher that she had not completed her assignment. Next word. For the promise, the word will and shall. For the promise. For the promise, we are using the will and the shall. The general rule of the grammar is that with the I and the we are using the will, shall, and with the rest of the word we are using the will. But whenever the promise is there, then with the I and the we are using I or we के साथ में हम use करेंगे word will, और with the rest of the word he, she, it, they, whatever is there, with that we are using the word shall. Remember one thing, and nowadays in the modern English language, generally we are not using, we are skipping the word shall in our conversation while writing a letter. So it doesn't mean that it is a wrong, right? Next rule. Next rule is the ought to, that I have already told. Ought to we are using when it is our duty. जब हमारी कोई वो duty होती है, moral duty I am talking about, then we are using the word ought to. Ought to conveys that it would be the right thing to do with the great sense of responsibility and or as a moral duty. Ought to also suggests that it is the right thing to do. Nowadays both should and ought to are used to convey the same idea. Next is the for the request. For the request we are using the can, could, will and the would. The can and the could commonly used to make request, and could and would more polite than can and will. Can and will. used for making a make request, right? And then when we are using the could, I told you when we are giving any of the suggestion also, then we are using the could. But when we are more polite, then we can use the could and the would for the more polite. Comparatively, can and the will. Next is prohibition. For the prohibition, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रोक लगाने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं must not, ought not. Then for the absence of the necessity, अगर हमें किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, the necessity, then we are using the word need not have and didn't have. Did not need to, sorry. Suppose you need not have brought your car, and here in this one she did not need to bring her car. The last word is that the word may for wishing. हम अगर किसी को wish करते हैं, may God bless you, may you will get good marks. So whenever word may we are using for the wish also. Then last one is the dare not to. हम किसी से डरते नहीं हैं, dare not to. Then the dare not to is used for something that requires the courage. It is related. The word dare is related up with the courage. Right? See, the example is that I dare not go into a dense forest at night. Next is, dare you enter an old deserted palace all alone. Right? I hope you all can understand. Read the rules given in your book again and again. Solve the exercise given in your book again, and just cross check it with the PDF that I am giving you. Then your all doubts will be clear up to you. Thank you.